What if the wastewater you're paying to dispose of could become a valuable operational asset? At this Mid-Atlantic dairy facility, millions of gallons of treated wastewater were being discharged every year. The facility had previously explored reuse solutions, but the changing wastewater conditions made it difficult to consistently produce the high-quality water needed. Seeking a more reliable solution, the customer engaged Apex to operationalize the ReclaimX platform. Following extensive pilot testing, Apex provided full engineering, technical, and operational support for the ReclaimX system to reuse wastewater as cooling makeup water. By combining on-site oxidant generation, ultrafiltration, reverse osmosis, chemical treatment, and proprietary RO automatic cleaning technology, ReclaimX helps reduce fouling, minimize maintenance, and maximize uptime. Today, the ReclaimX system provides a reliable source of reclaimed water, allowing the facility to increase cooling tower cycles and reduce blowdown by approximately 25%. As a result, the customer reclaims more than 20 million gallons of wastewater annually, save 30 million gallons of city water, and reduce annual water and sewer costs by over $180,000. Beyond the direct financial benefits, the ReclaimX system helps the dairy facility advance sustainability goals, enhance operational resilience, and support a circular water economy. With ReclaimX, wastewater isn't waste. It's a valuable resource driving sustainable growth.